This video demonstrates how to square a block after milling in a surface grinding machine. Hello and welcome to the Tooling Insight channel. Please wear proper safety equipment and procedures before beginning any machining for your own safety. Please stone the magnet chuck surface for best holding, parallelism, and accuracy. Before you begin grinding, dress the grinding wheel with a diamond dresser to ensure a good surface finish and accuracy. Place the larger side of the block in the magnetic chuck and turn it on. Grind the first side. We now have first side. Place the first side down and grind the second side. We now have two sides that are parallel to each other. We must now use an angle plate or precision machine vise for precise and accurate squaring. When holding the block, make sure one end is at least ½ inch outside for next operation. Grind the third side now. Now we need to lower the clamp and set it down for grinding the fourth side. Put the grinded side down to get to the fifth side. Repeat for our final side. Here, we achieved a 90-degree angle on all 6 sides.